Okay, we seen the Ferris wheel and we got some souvenirs. It's time to head back to someplace cool like Soy Cowboy or Nana Plaza. Okay, this is Asiatique. It's all tourists. Tourists, 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 and more tourists. It's worth your look. Now these are the people waiting to go back on the free boat ride. They got about 3 or 4 different shuttle boats that come in. They come in from the hotels, and Asiatique runs their own. That's the one that I come in on from down at the BTS station down at the bridge at Saskun Taskan. Yep, all those lights from the buildings you see down there, those are high rent condos and 5-star hotels. And these are just middle-class tourists from all over the world coming to Asiatique at the riverfront. Hey, there's our Ferris wheel. That's about the big thing that you would want to see here. And maybe take some photos of. Yep, around the boat, and we're all squeezed in like sardines, of course. On our way back, we'll take a look at Asiatique all lit up. We are on the Chao Phraya River, heading towards the BTS station. That's your main point for switching. The BTS station, Saskun Taskan, major transfer point here in Bangkok. They will say that is the tallest Ferris wheel in Thailand. Okay. Nope, didn't go for a ride on it. I think you pay some money and you get 3 turns or something. I don't know what it is. And that's a Chinga beer logo right in the middle of the Ferris wheel. We'll give them some free advertising for nothing. I mean, they got the money, but we'll give it to them for free. Okay, these boats right in front of you, those are those river express boats that you ride on all day long up and down the river. Yes, the orange flag, blue flag, yellow flag, no flag. Yep, those are the boats, and this is where they park them at night. Kind of haunted. Looks like maybe we're going to make a horror movie over here or something. The people in Thailand have much respect for their king. So when you're in Thailand, do not, and I repeat, do not disrespect the king of Thailand. And just keep in mind, this boat ride is free, both to and from Asiatique. And I recommend you go along and just take the ride. At least do that. It's free. Something free to do in Thailand. And this boat ride is it. Then when you get to Asiatique, it's a shopping mall. You can walk around there all night. BTS runs across on that bridge over there.